Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to change the font size in WhatsApp so your messages are easier to read and more comfortable for your eyes. Whether you want larger text for better visibility or smaller text to fit more on your screen, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once you're on the main chat screen, look to the top right corner. You'll see 3 small dots arranged vertically. Tap on those 3 dots. This will open a small menu with a few options. From there, tap on Settings. This is where you can customize how WhatsApp looks and behaves. Once you're inside the Settings menu, tap on the option labeled Chats. This section controls how your conversations appear, including themes, wallpapers, and of course, your text size. Next, find and tap on Font Size. This is the setting that decides how large or small your chat text appears. Once you open it, you'll see a few different size options, usually small, medium, and large. The medium size is the default setting most people use, but you can switch to a smaller size if you like a minimal look, or a larger size if you want your messages to be easier to read. Simply tap on the option that suits your preference best. After you make your choice, tap on OK to confirm. That's it. Your WhatsApp chat font size will immediately adjust to your selection. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable your messaging experience feels. Whether you're using WhatsApp for casual chats or important work conversations, customizing the text size can help you read and type with ease. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might need it too. Adjusting your settings is simple once you know where to look, and now you do.